Yo, what's good, YouTube? I know it's been a minute since I made some videos. I've been inconsistent, but I'm definitely gonna work on that. I'm gonna just share with y'all how I made $600 today. Lately, I'm gonna give you a little update. So I have one funded account which is on Top Step right now. I haven't activated it yet. I got another. I'm trading a 50K account on Apex, so I'm using Apex and Top Step. I was funded on Apex, but I blew my account last week, unfortunately, but it's all good. The new account I have right now, we're close to passing, so that's where it's at right now. I have a simple strategy that's been working lately, and I'm gonna share it with y'all right now. So let's get to it. So here we're looking at NQ. This is a trade I took today on Apex. Let's go do replay and take this out. So going into New York, I always mark on my zones on the 15 minute. Excuse me. On the 15 minute. So I would go to my session, London session and Asian session, New York. I would show that. And I'm marking my Asian highs. Well, this is London highs right here. I don't have to mark anything right here because this is like way too high. And I mark my support and resistance zones, right? So basically what I do, mark my support and resistance zones. So going into New York, what time is it right here? It is about 9 o'clock. I'm marking my zones. 9:15 right here. My only way I'm gonna take a trade is if we break either below here or above here, and we correct and continue. So let's see what happens. I'm going to 5 minute. So I see a breaker structure right here. So I'm like, okay, cool. Oh my gosh, that happened too fast. Hold on. Let's go on. Let me stick to the 3 minute, cause I trade based off the 3 minute. So my entries are based off the 3 minute. That's what I mean. To look at the market, I look at the market, see how, my bias based off the 15, 30 minute hourly. But when I get an entry, it's off the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, lower time frames. So you get a good entry. So right here, we're waiting. Price has not broke above. We have finally broke above here. I'm not placing no trades yet. What I want to see is price. See, we broke above. I want to see price come back down here somewhere. It don't matter where. And when I see price come back above this resistance level, I'm entering trade. I'm entering along right here. So let's see what happens. I'm skipping, waiting patiently. Boom. So this is what I love to see. I love to see it. So we had an indication. I love to see a correction right here. This is correction. When price breaks above or below any support resistance level, just know it has to correct and it will continue to that direction. So we broke above here, made new highs right here. So now I'm thinking, okay, price must come back up here, because since we made new highs up here, we just broke this resistance level. So I'm waiting, and I see price come back up here. Boom. So I got in like around here and aim for 30 points. When I trade NQ, I aim for 30. When I trade YM, I aim for 50 points. And I'm risking like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 actually. 10-point stop right here. Zero drawdown in this trade right here that I took today. Boom, TP smack. Done for the day. 600 made. Simple. As simple as that. I kind of had a feeling that price would want to take out these highs right here, which these are London highs. Since we see 2 a.m. right here, 3 a.m. There's London highs right here, and price did that. It basically was a trending market all day today. So that was my A+ setup right there, just off one contract. just off one contract. Price broke above again. This is another type of trade I would take right here. It broke above. Probably would enter here, aim for 30 points. Yeah, it hit 30 points. Done. Or like this. This is another example right here too. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. That's my A-pot setup. That's how I made my 600 today. Basically, it's pretty straightforward. It's easy. I don't do SMT. I don't do none of that. Whatever all these other people are doing. Like, I don't do Fibonacci. I don't do supply and demand, which this sometimes correlates with supply and demand, but it's just support resistance, breakouts, indication, correction, continuation. That's it. Simple as that. Boom, 30 point, done. And that was before news. News was at 10 a.m. This happened before news, so that was it. Tomorrow's a new day. There is FOMC on Wednesday, so we be careful this week for sure. But yeah, that's about it. If you like my videos, subscribe if you haven't. Like, comment. Yeah, I'll keep y'all posted with my videos. I'm gonna try to be consistent. I will be consistent. I'm not gonna say try. I'll be more consistent for sure. Drop more videos. I did a vlog before. I haven't done another vlog in a minute, but we might get to that later. So yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.